Hey, what's up, Brent for Brenspeed? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's going to be cool. Hey, it's going to be short. We're going to watch a dyno pull on this 2020 RTR Mustang. It's an automatic. We're running 93 octane. We did do some upgrades to it, so you're going to see how it laid down over 700 real horsepower. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe. Hit notify us up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, before we go down and take a look, I want to explain something real quick. So, like the RTR Mustang, that came with the Phase 1 supercharger, which, you know, you could have got it from Roush Performance or from Ford Performance. They like did some effort together to make that kit. But if you have a Roush Mustang or the RTR, it's a Phase 1 kit. We're going to tell you today how to upgrade this to the Phase 2. But Doug, come down, take a look. The RTR, what's on this? Well, you get the Roush or Ford Performance, same thing, 2650 supercharger. And we did do a set of stainless power long tube headers. We did a rear cylinder head cooling kit because we want to keep everything nice and cool. We did billet oil pump gears, and then we did a big VMP heat exchanger for the supercharger. Because if you have the older Phase 1 kit, the odds are pretty high you have this small heat exchanger. So when we upgrade to more power, we go with the big VMP like what we have on this right here, and of course a custom tune. How do we get to 700? That's it. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. Remember, automatic, 93 octane, Dynojet, SAE, 707 raw horsepower, 7,200 RPM, let's call it. Torque killer, 587 at 4,600. These kits come in about 12 pounds of boost. I love this car. Hey, what's it cost to get installed? Email quote@brenspeed.com. That's how you find out how you want to upgrade maybe your Phase 1. So this kind of like Phase 2 setup, we're calling it. But it's sweet. The cars are super fast on the street, and you gotta love the instant torque out of the Roush supercharger. Hey, I have a lot of other Roush videos where I bought my car, put the 50 state kit on, took it to the track. But this is kind of about if you already have one on your car, how can you upgrade it? I will put links in the description so you can figure it out. But hey, this is a killer car. I love the emblems. I love the black wheels. I think this car's sick. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Quote@brenspeed.com. What's this cost to get built? Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Oh, and one last thing. Doug loves red interior. He wanted to make sure you could see this because, he's a huge fan. But hey, we have these Roush Phase 2 superchargers in stock, ready to ship. Get on Brenspeed.com. We can ship them right to your door or give us a call. Link in the description. We can install it right here at a facility in Indiana. Now we're really done. Thanks for watching.